What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to check your WordPress web themes against the latest standards of the good theme, the good coding, the good quality, and the good content. Okay, so how to review if the WordPress theme that you are using passes to the test. Okay, this is a very important thing because if you don't have a secure an updated WordPress theme, it can create you potentially risks to your site about security, about performance, and of course it can affect your site overall results. So how to test if your theme passes to this test for free? First thing, review the latest, the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose internet and site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard, hover a mouse over the plugins field, and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of the screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and type theme check, just like this. And here is the guide that we're looking for, themes theme. Theme check. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. Click into the activate button once again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Now hover a mouse over appearance from the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard. Now you're gonna be able to find a new field called theme check. Click on it. Now, first thing, you can select the theme that you would like to check. By default, WordPress gonna review all the currently installed themes on your site. Okay, so in my case I have Enzo, Architect, and 2024. Where are those themes? On appearance, themes field, right here. Okay, here are my 3 themes, and here is the field. Now, all I have to do is click into check it. And the plugin gonna review all of the results. As you can see, running 80,000 tests. Okay, so there is a lot of tests. And Enzo passed the tests. Now your team has passed the basic test, you need to check it properly using data before updated, okay? So we can keep testing the content, for example, by activating the debug mode. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial where I do explain how to activate the debug mode. So we can keep testing, but by default, if your team already passes the basic test with thousands of tests, but basic test, you are already good to go. In the case that you want to review all the tests, you can read just like this, okay, the log report. But if it passes, all good. If your team do not pass the test, contact your team developer to see what is happening, how to solve it, in order to make your site secure, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, it's all for free. Or Sites.gallery, there is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when you do your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!